Guys, don't buy this house if you don't like nice, bright, open spaces that you can relax in and drink your morning coffee in peace and quiet. Also, don't buy this house if you don't like to live comfortably. Also, don't buy it if you don't like to have a nice closet by the entrance where you can take your shoes out and comfortably put them in this beautiful corner. Don't buy this house if you don't like an open concept of a dining room kitchen combo and a kitchen that you can waltz in. Now let's talk about this door, this magic door that leads to your outdoor space, which is a covered patio that you can entertain in whole summer. What did I tell you? Didn't I warn you about this beautiful, gorgeous space out here? Even if it's raining, even if it's snowing, you can barbecue, you can do your swing thing. Smells so nice and fresh. Look at the beautiful brand new fridge that matches the stove. And now let's see what's happening in the bedroom. But first, let's take a look at this beautiful bathroom. Nothing to be done here. Just enjoy and relax. Another thing I want to say is that you shouldn't buy this home if you don't like nice and bright spaces and a lot of storage in your bedrooms. Let's check it out. Look at these beautiful closets, guys. Nice, deep, well organized too. Second bedroom downstairs with an amazing storage in the closet. That's the door to the basement. We're gonna check it out now. Here we are. Look at all this storage. All the possibilities that you can make happen in here. And while you're at it, let's not forget about all the nice finishes, little touches that make a home beautiful. For example, this beautiful staircase, fully updated, brand new carpet that leads to 2 bedrooms upstairs and also plenty of storage space. Let's check it out. Here is bedroom number 1. Closet. Very beautiful. High heads. And then another bedroom. Equally gorgeous. What do you think? Now I will tell you why you should buy this house. Oops, sorry about that. Number 1 reason why you should buy this house if you want to have a great New York City access. Bus stop to bus that takes you directly to New York City is down the street. That's cool. If you have kids, school is right at the end of this block. ShopRite is right around the corner and the big JFK Memorial Park is just down the road. Not to mention other stores around in the area. We also have a ferry and a train station in the nearby town of South Amboy. This area of Sayreville is Parlin, beautiful, very quiet and desirable neighborhood. So if you are thinking of moving to New Jersey, especially Central Jersey, and you want to have great access to New York City, this is the place for you. Where else can you get 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, full basement, gorgeous backyard, plenty of parking spaces for $550? You know whom to call.